Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So till now we are making only educational videos. From today onwards, we are doing some innovative experimental reviews on different products which will make home automation. So first one we are going to review is Panasonic LED bulb. This is not an normal bulb. This is an radar motion sensor bulb, and which how much distance this will operate is it is designed for 3 meters of radius operation, and the illumination emitted by this bulb is equal to an normal 9 watt, I mean more than 20-watt bulb. In an incandescent bulb it emits 810 lumens of intensity, and how many hours it gives the life is approximately 30,000 hours it will give the life. So this is basically a Panasonic LED bulb of rating 9 watts. And you may ask, what is the importance of this product? So I have a kitchen and I have a bathroom. So number of times I should turn on and number of times I should make off in this action. So the bulb life may decrease and automatically, and for example in the kitchen or in the bathroom we use the moisture in the hand and turn on, automatically there is chance of leakage current to flow and which may lead to death. So that's why I purchased this bulb. So once if you fit it, there's no need to turn off. Depending upon the motion of the human being, it will operate. That's why I purchased this. So this is from the brand Panasonic LED radar bulb 9 watts, and this is the 9 watt range. I bought it from Amazon. The link will be provided below. Now let us try to see what are the features of this bulb and what is the application of this bulb and where to use this bulb. First one is, this bulb consumes only very low power. So normal CFL, if you use 20 watts, this is equal to using an 9 watt LED bulb. So this emits manual switching of devices. So the features of this bulb is, so this consumes very much low power. Only 9 watts it consume, but a CFL will consume 20 watts to give the same illumination. It eliminates manual switching of devices. That's why I buy this bulb. So there is no need to manually make switch on and off. Once you make it on, whenever the motion is detected, automatically it will become on. And so what is the time taken? It is 20 seconds. If the movement is not identified in 20 seconds, the radar sensor will turn off the load, which is like a power saving equipment. This saves the electricity. How it saves the electricity means, if the motion is not detected, automatically by 20 seconds it will turn off. And this comes with B22 cap replacement of the incandescent bulb. What is this B22 means? You can see here. So this is the bulb, Panasonic bulb, and this is called B22 base. B22 base means it can fit a normal incandescent bulb also. So coming to the next feature, never use it with an, so this, what is the instruction is, don't use it with an dimmer. Okay, like reducing intensity, we should directly connect to the supply. We should not use any dimmer. Okay, so what is the condition the bulb will turn off is, so when the object is moving in the sensor range, the lamp will turn on. So already I told, when you movement is identified, it will automatically turn on. If the movement is not identified within 20 seconds, automatically the device is turn off. That's called, and the distance is 3 meters radius. If the movement is not identified for a period of 20 seconds, automatically it will turn off. So where we have to use this bulb? So you can use this bulb in washroom. Why? Because number of times you go to washroom and number of times we come out, number of times we should make the switch on and off. So we can eliminate this on and off when you are using in washrooms. And staircase, when you have the staircase or steps, so you don't need to turn on. Why? Because if you turn on, power is wasted a lot. Whenever the motion of the human being is detected, automatically it will turn on. And this is useful in parking and balconies. I mean, in the parking area we can use, and in open balconies we can use, and we can use in basement area and storerooms. So in storerooms also, whenever we go inside the storeroom only, it has to turn on. And the next features of this bulb is, it has longer life. and it doesn't produce any dangerous ultraviolet rays or infrared radiation, and it doesn't contains any mercury like CFL bulbs, and this is instructed only for indoor usage. Now let us try to see this bulb. So this is the original bulb. So you can see here, this is from the brand Panasonic and the model is printed. This is a 9-watt radar bulb with an intensity of 6500 calories, Kelvin, and the this is a B20 bulb, and the amount of lux it delivers is, illumination is 810 lumen, and the power factor of this is approximately unity, which is 0.09. So 0.9, and it consumes a current of 0.04 amperes. So this is all about the bulb. Now let us try to see. I have been assembled this bulb at two different locations. I will show you how this bulb operates. Okay, now let us see here. I installed the same bulb in this location. So this is the room where I have been installed. So now my motion is detected. You can see here, as soon as I turn on, the light is turned on. You can see here, the light is turned on by detecting my motion. Okay, so that's how this bulb is designed. So if my this is the radius. Okay, so here the radius is 3 meters. So when I entered, automatically it is turned on. Okay, there's no need to turn off the switch. And you can see here, the switch, once I had make it on, so there's no need to make it off. If I make it on once, if the within this 3 meter radius, if the motion is identified, automatically this will turn on. Now let us see here, I'm going to close the door and let us wait for 20 seconds. The bulb has to turn off. Okay, now let us see here, I'm closing the door. You can see here, the bulb will turn off. So just now I closed the door. Just wait for 20 seconds. The bulb has to turn off. Okay. So this is what the main application of this kind of technology. You may ask, sir, what is the need of using this bulb? So this is useful for automation. Okay. So for making automatic of your home, this bulb play a major role. Now you can see here, the bulb is in off. Now the bulb has been turned off. Okay, why? Because there is no motion for a period of 30 seconds. The bulb is automatically turned off, which saves the electricity. You can see here again, I'm going inside the kitchen. So now my motion is identified and automatically the bulb has been turned on. Okay, so that's why this is a very innovative product which saves your electricity. I will show you the demo. So this is the first application I'm using in my kitchen. Why? Because to the kitchen we generally move number of times to drink water or to do the remaining works. Okay, so now as soon as you close the door, automatically within 20 seconds this will turn on. Now let us see the one more application where I am using this bulb. Okay, so I already told this is more suitable in bathrooms. So as soon as you see here, now the bulb already is in, power is on, the bulb is in on condition and the motion is not sensed, and the bulb will basically in off condition. As soon as I open the door, you can see here, automatically the bulb will turn on. You can see here, the bulb is turned on based on my motion. Okay, so this is also the same